Chris Meyer. Join me and the Legendary Customs team as we take ordinary rides and craft them into legendary customs.
Sawzall. I'm guessing the torch does not work.
They welded it. Son of a bitch. Makes no sense. They welded it, and then they put 2 bolts through it. Holy, fight me all the way. Awesome. Hey everybody, Chris with Legendary Customs, based out of La Crosse, Wisconsin. As you can see, there was 3 braces going across here. They were all to carry the suspension parts. Shock towers, everything for the suspension. We got rid of it all because we're going to put in a 4-link rear end. This was 4 inches that way. We kept that for support. We bolted it in right now until we get done with the mock-up, but then this is going to get welded in. The bottom transmission support, that's still there, so that's going to have support. The 4-link rear, we're going to weld in a steel plate here, a steel plate here, and then the 4-link rear end will come back to the axle, and then there'll be a bar across the top tying everything back together. That will give it all of its strength and rigidity back. Now, by taking all of these braces out, it didn't affect a thing, because in the back, we still have all the factory bracing there. So what we took out hasn't changed the squareness or anything. When we put in the new bar, all that strength that's gone will be right back in there. And then we can set it up for the 4-link rear end with coilover. We decided on Thursday to get rid of the spring suspension because the box actually, the front spring mount will actually hit the box step. So these are in the way. After all this work, we missed that. And it's embarrassing, but sometimes when you're doing stuff that hasn't been done before, a 48 Willys Jeep on a 2000 Escalade or Willys truck, you know, sometimes you have to engineer it as you go along. But the long and the short is, it's going to be a better ride for Ron in the end. A little bit more work for us now, but it will be worth every single second of it.
Good.
Fix that.
Tape measure.
Corner.
Yep.
One more of those. So what we are doing is things have changed from a leaf spring system because the box actually hits. We're changing over to a 4-link coilover. So like I said last night, it's gonna ride better. It's just gonna have much better performance for Ron. So we took all of this out, measured where it's supposed to go. We'll tack on a piece so she stays where it is. And then to make this system work, we have to cut out about 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch of the frame so it clears, and then we'll be good. And we'll put in a piece of steel across here, which the shock absorbers will hook up to, and we'll be back to a good point again shortly. So, yeah, 3 steps forward, 1 step back. But the important thing is we always have the 1 step forward out of the 3. So
That would
Come
be
on.
2 steps.
2 steps forward out of the 3. Thanks, honey. 3 steps forward, 1 step back. We still have 2 steps forward. And in the end, quite frankly, this will ride better than with the spring systems. One thing that we don't know is how heavy the box is going to be. So with this system, we can adjust for the ride softness or stiffness by changing out the coilover springs. With the leaf springs, you have what you have. We took 2 springs out to lighten it up, but this way we'll be able to customize the ride quite a bit better for Ron. So it'll turn out good.
All right, so I am at one of our frequent stops in Onalaska, Wisconsin to get supplies for the guys. They need some sandpaper and some, I guess, sanding discs. Anyway, headed in to grab those for the guys and then going back to the shop. All right, we've got our supplies. They had both items that I needed, which is amazing and awesome at the same time. Headed back to the shop. So I'm finding myself here again. Funny. But I had my phone set to do not disturb. And Zach sent me a message saying they needed some more supplies. So I'm back. I got them. Now I'm actually headed back to the shop.
Old engine and transmission coming out. New going back in. Hopefully it'll fit the exact same place. This was really close, so I think I'm gonna. Hey everybody, Chris with Legendary Customs. Myself and the Legendary team would like to thank you for tuning in to this episode. Remember, please share our videos, very much appreciated. Down below, subscribe. Please follow us on Instagram and please follow us on Facebook. Each and every one of you are appreciated. Thank you very much. Until the next episode, we'll see you then.